So how's life been since you've been famous for being Romaine?
I've not quite made it to Hollywood yet. No, you're not. Hi guys, so tomorrow we're going to be filming our new Christmas video. It's I can't even think of what to say. Hi guys, tomorrow we're going to be oh god, right, let me start again. Hi guys, tomorrow we're going to be filming our new video for the Christmas period. It's going to be launched. When's it going to be launched? I have to like write it down.